And what is perpendicular in this triangle?
So perpendicular is OB. OA. So it's
Think
not.
about it. Think about it. Perpendicular means, also I have told you, perpendicular means side opposite to the angle. Correct? Yeah. Which angle I have written over here? Beta by 2. Which is this angle? Beta by 2. Correct?
45. Yes, sir.
So that is 45. But equation, what will be perpendicular equation? What by what?
So it would be
Perpendicular means side opposite to the angle.
BA by
Don't miss
AO.
on these points. Yeah.
BA by
Tell
AO.
me.
BA by AO.
AB?
AB
AB
by
by?
AO.
Yes. AB by AO. Now you are talking. Got it, yeah?
Yes, sir.
AB by AO. Right, yeah?
Yes,
Right
sir.
to you. Gagan, you tell me sine. Gagan, you tell me sine beta by 2. How will I write sine beta by 2?
Sir, it is opposite by hypotenuse.
Yeah, tell me what shall I write?
So then it will be AB by R. This BO.
AB by BO. Okay, which I'll write R. Okay. So AB by R. Right, Gagan?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So from here, Gagan, what is sine beta by 2? Sine 45 degree. Anyone? Sine 45 degree. I have also made you write these, by the way. Did I? Did I make you write this? Sine 45? Have I? Not, then write it down. 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root under 2, root under 2, root under 3 by 2 and 1.
Sir, sine 45 is 1 by root 2.
Very good. 1 by root 2. So 1 by, I'll write that down, Kunika, don't worry. 1 by root 2 into R will be AB. Is it?
Yes, sir.
1 by, yeah, sir.
Is the board visible, that part?
No,
Is it
sir.
visible?
I'm not able to see till there.
Even you are not able to see, okay? Let me check.
No, the camera's fine. Could you adjust the board a bit?
Just a minute. Will you take it back again?
Sir, camera is tilted, sir.
Well, got tilted again.
Yeah, sir. Now
Good
fine,
now?
sir. Yeah, sir.
Now,
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
thing must be visible till the bottom. Is not?
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, not visible, then I'll be Sine 45, this part is visible?
No,
Yes, sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Check, Monica.
No, no, sir. It's not visible. I'm not able to see that.
Okay, no. Sine 45, Monica, just now we were asking about sine 45. Could you please tell me how will I write sine beta by 2 in the triangle? This is visible right here, Monica?
Yes, sir.
This angle is beta by 2. This is visible to you right here?
Yes, sir.
This particular sine beta by 2 will be how much to us? As said Gagan, it will be perpendicular by hypotenuse. Perpendicular is AB and hypotenuse is R. Right, yeah?
Yes, sir.
And sine beta by 2 means sine 45 degree. Sine 45 degree is equal to AB by R. And then from here, R into sine 45 will be nothing but AB. Is it okay? Which is what the question was.
Yes, sir.
Question was find radius. India
Yes, sir.
and sine 45, remember, is 1 by root 2. Value of sine 45 is 1 by root 2. Right, Kunika?
Yes, sir.
That was one question. Now your question. Yes, dear. Come with your questions. Tell me. Ask me. Ask me your doubts. Tomorrow is your test. Doubt on physics, chemistry, mathematics, any related to the portion you will be writing. Please feel free. Ask me the doubts. Your doubts. You got 2 days. What you designed. You got a class. You got your portion completed. Is anything left, Gagan? Please check once. Endorsed. Please give me your consentment on completion of mathematics portion. Is anything left, Gagan?
So,
Is anything left
so for me,
after upstairs? What we have after upstairs?
so after sphere is hemisphere, that's all, sir.
That's it. Anything else? Anything which is being left?
Uh, no, sir.
Okay. Am I getting your acknowledgement for completion of mathematics, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so all done. Physics, chemistry, math related portion which you have to write a test on tomorrow.
Yes.
Okay, any question which you deem ask, please feel free. You have 24 hours around with you. You can ask me over WhatsApp as well. I'll be responding immediately that I can commit. Okay, I'll be responding as early as I see to your questions. That I'm from my end to ensure you. But even if you are not yet done with any part which you want me to brush, I am open to it. Any part, if you want to revisit, I am open to it. Any part you wish to revisit, any one of you? Yes, dear.
Sir, I have one doubt, sir.
Yes, dear. Please come.
Sir, in physics, when they give the slope of one side, sir, so I'll get to the question 1 second.
Sure.
As a block of mass 1 kg slides down an inclined plane of inclination 30 degrees.
Mhm.
Find the work done by the block if it slides through 50 centimeter.
Mhm.
Sir, they find the another angle, sir. Why do they find the another angle?
No, they are not finding another angle. See, length of inclination is given to you, correct, dear?
Yeah, sir.
Length of inclination is given to you. That means on inclined plane, it slides by the length given to you, correct?
Yes, sir.
But you have to find work done by gravity. What was work done by what is being asked?
So work done by the block.
Work done by the block. Is it?
So I'll read the
I
question
couldn't
again.
get you. Work done by the block.
A block of mass 1 kg slides down an inclined plane of inclination 30 degrees. Find the work done by the block weighs as it slides through 50 centimeter.
No, it cannot be work done by block. Work done on block it should be. It's a misprint. Okay?
Okay, then
Block will do work on inclined plane if there is friction. Correct, dear? Block is
okay.
not applying force. Block is applying force on the inclined plane, and that is normal. Correct? So normal cannot do any work. It will be zero.
Okay, sir.
Block cannot do any work, right? Yeah, block is moving this way. What are the force that block? What is the force? There is only one force which block is applying, right? Yeah.
Yeah,
And
yeah.
block is applying force on the plane, inclined plane normally, correct? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So that force and displacement, they are at an angle 90 degree, correct? Or Planck is, the inclined plane is not getting displaced, right?
Yes, sir.
So work done by block will be zero. Block will not do any work. But work done on block, if it is being asked, then what will it be? MGH, correct?
So then it will be work done on block.
On block by gravity.
Okay,
By
sir. I'll check.
gravity. Your work done on block by inclined plane will also be 0. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
So it should be gravity. Fine here?
Yes, sir.
Any else?
For physics, H.C. Verma, the numericals, the second question, it's,
Mhm.
1 second. I just open the question. Yeah, it says that a 2 kg yeah, basically the same question. In that, the answer that comes is what I am getting is 16.97. Although at the behind the book when I check the answers, that time it's coming over there. It's written minus 9.8. So I am not able to get that
9.8.
answer.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
okay. Tell me, please read the question to me. Is the same as per what Gagan did ask?
Sir, again, printing
Yeah,
mistake is there.
Okay, give
I
me the
don't know
data.
if it's a printing mistake or what.
Let's check,
The
let's
question.
verify. Example generally doesn't come with printing mistake. But I'll verify. Tell me, what is the question to ask? Read the language of
A
question.
2 kg body is climbing up an inclined plane of inclination,
Right?
yeah,
Okay.
of 30 degrees. Find the work done by the force of gravity in moving the body through 1 meter.
Okay. Now this is 2 kg as you have said, and this is 30 degree. And you have to move 1 meter, right? Yeah?
Yes, sir.
2 kg over here. And 1 meter is given along the slope or by a height 1 meter. What is it?
So it
So
says,
along,
Just read once.
so
so it is
I'll
along
read
the
the,
slope.
Is that what along mentioned? I'll get the inkling. Please read once.
a 2 kg body is sliding up an inclined plane of inclination 30 degrees. Find the work done by the force of gravity in moving the body through 1 meter.
Okay. So 1 meter means what will be going by innuendos. And innuendos, if I have to go by innuendos means what I have to do, I have to take the general perception. The general perception over here is this will be 1 meter. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
And if this is 1 meter, then the height to which it rises will be how much to it? You can calculate by triangle. Tan theta, sin theta.
Yes,
That
sir.
will be better. 30 degree will be what to us? Will be perpendicular, which is height, by hypotenuse, which is 1. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So, height that is half as we know. So, h will be how much to us? Half. This is how much to us? Half. Then. Fine.
Yes, sir.
And then work done by gravity will be how much? Minus of mgh. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So, m is how much? M is 2 kg. G 9.8 they take. And h is how much? H is half. Correct?
Yes, sir.
What will be the answer? Minus of 9.8 joule. Correct there? What have they given?
Yes, sir. That's the answer they have given.
Yeah, so what
But,
was the confusion
sir,
for now? Why did you get
in the
confused?
exam, I actually referred one of the examples, similar examples to solve this problem. So in
Read that
that, the example is a block of mass 1 kg slides down on an inclined plane of inclination 30 degrees. Find the work done by the block's weight at its slides through 50 centimeter. So I found it somewhat similar. So I started calculating it according to this. So here they have taken it 9.8 Newton into 0.5 meter into cos 60 degree.
Let us calculate with it. See, this is 30 degree given to you. Okay?
Yes.
In the second question as well, 30 degree, correct?
Yes, sir. But there's one more thing here. They have mentioned in the question 30 degrees, but all while long they're using 60 degrees.
Yeah, because this is the inclination is this to you, right, Monica?
Yes, sir.
This angle is 30. And it slides. It slides by what length? You said 50, correct?
Yes, sir.
So this is 50, right? This is 50 meter or centimeter, whatever. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
So what you calculate here is this length, correct? Because this length is going down by yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is 30, this 30, this will also be 30 as you can see for yourself, right here. Angle will be same.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now tell me, I want to calculate this one. And this is known to me. So again I use sine 30. Sine 30 is equal to perpendicular by 50, correct? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Sine 30 is half into 50 perpendicular, correct?
Yes, sir.
Visible? Is
Yes,
it
sir.
visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So perpendicular is how much over here? 25, correct? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So this becomes 25 to us. Right here.
Yes, sir.
Now it is going down. Mass is m. G is gravity 9.8 and it is going down by 25, correct?
Yes, sir.
How much was mass given?
1 kg.
1 kg. So 1 should be multiplied with 9.8 and should be multiplied with 25. This will be the answer. Idea?
Answer is 2.45 joules.
Let's check. How much will this get you? How much will this be? 2.45. Now that is what you'll be getting. 25 into 9.8. 0.4.
So we'll be getting 245.
Yes, sir.
245. And how much is the answer?
2.45.
So actually it is 50 centimeter, not meter.
This will be centimeter then.
I told 0.5
Yes.
meter.
It's centimeter, huh?
0.5 meter, that is 50 centimeter.
50
Yes.
is centimeter, right, Monica?
Yes, sir.
So that means when you convert, you will be getting it as 2.45, right?
Yeah,
Yes.
because when I was telling you the question, I took 50 centimeters, 0.5
Yeah.
meters. When I was telling you this
Come
question,
again, dear.
when I was telling you this question, I told 50 centimeters, 0.5 meters.
3 centimeter as 0.5 meters.
Yes,
Fine,
sir.
if you 0.5 if you take, then you'll be getting a 2.45, Monica.
Yeah, fine. Got it.
Okay.
Sir,
The same. Question is same. Concept should be cleared on it. It should not be that you're going by questions. It should be based on a particular concept, which is generic. Correct? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah, Kangan, you're saying something.
so if we do by that fs cos theta, fd cos theta, then we have to take cos 60 degrees.
Yeah. Yes. Cos. Because displacement is in this direction, force is in this direction, and then this angle you will have to take will be 60 degrees. Then you'll have to write F into displacement into cos of the angle 60 degrees. You'll
Okay.
get the same answer, isn't it?
Yes,
Answer
sir.
is ought to be right here.
Yes, sir.
Any other questions? Any one of you? Check dear, physics chemistry maths, all clear?
So can you send more questions on work power energy?
Okay, I'll send you. I'll send it to you. More questions on work by energy. Okay then, shall we call it a day then? Shall I take your
Oh,
leave? Fine, all of you?
Okay, sir.
All the best. Study well today. Tomorrow is the test. Fine, yeah.
yes, sir.
Do
Yes.
good. Fine.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, dear. Thank you, all of you.